Hello everyone, this is your boy Andy Dodd from NDIS Digital Support. Today we're going to review an NDIS provider's website that we have built. We're going to review the design, the sitemap, the number of pages, call to actions, what's needed on the website, what's included on the website, and what do you need to start. Okay, so we're going to review this example of a previous client that we have worked with. The company name is Support Nest, and let's review. So this is their website, and they have done, our team has done a marvelous job on the design. So let's start with the first thing, and that is the sitemap. What we usually call it a nav bar. Okay, you can call it a menu, the number of pages. Okay, so let's review. What do we need to start? The website first. So this is the design. They have these pretty much awesome buttons that we can click, and we will be rerouted to pages. And it's a pretty much basic and simple yet professional design for an NDIS provider. To the point, professional. Okay, so the first thing is sitemap. Okay, so sitemap have two kinds of pages. Must-have pages. Okay, a must-have pages. Uh, the first one is landing page. That is the home of your website. Then we have about section that can be further divided into company history, team, careers, and whatever you want to add over here. Okay, the last page must to have is contact page. Okay, then the other mandatory page that should be on your website is if it's a retail website, if you're selling stuff online, you might have products, so there would be a product page or a shop page. But if you're into a service-based business, we need to have service pages. Okay, so this website over here, they have a home, about us, our services. Now they have four services: accommodation, daily living, transport, allied health. Then they have a referral page, latest news, and contact us. Okay, so this is pretty much it. So the first thing we need from you guys is we need to decide what how many pages, what kind of pages we need to add on the website. Okay, the second thing is the content for these pages. Okay, we call it the website content or website copy. Okay, the third thing we need from business owner basically is the graphics. Now that can be the logo, the kind of images we're going to use, any specifically designed banners or favicons or icons that needs to be custom developed for the website. Okay, so these are the kind of things, these are the kind of stuff that we need from a business owner. Okay, the next question is, what about domain and hosting? So I've been pretty much asked about this all the time. Okay, 99% of the times business owners contacting us doesn't know about this. Okay, or they're confused in a certain way, like how they're gonna build a website. What about the hosting? What about the domain? Who needs to buy this, and what's the payment plan on this? So this is pretty much easy. Okay, so there are two options right now. So if you are hiring a service-based company or web design agency just like ourselves, so we have two options over here. Okay, you buy your hosting plan, you buy your domain, and give us access to that hosting plan and domain. So we build the website on your hosting and domain, so you can watch the website live on the go, and when it's ready, we make it public. The next option is we have our company server. So what we do is we create staging instances, and we build a website on our company's hosting and servers, because you haven't bought your hosting and domain yet. And once the website is ready, our support team, our technical team will get in touch with you and will help you or assist you buying a hosting plan. There are pretty much a lot of companies offering these hosting and domain services, and you can get a lot of good deals out there. So GoDaddy, Namecheap, SiteGround. There are too many. Okay, so once the website is developed on our site and you approve everything, then what we do is we migrate the whole deal, the whole website to your hosting servers, okay, to your domain, and make it public. So this is how it operates, and this is how it's done. That's pretty much it. We need to know the sitemap, what kind of pages we're going to build, what's the content of the pages. Are you going to provide us that content or not? Okay, or are we going to build that for you? The next thing is graphics. Okay, are you going to provide us with the logo? Are you going to provide us with images of your business, your office, your employees, your disability staff, or whatever? Okay, so if you're going to provide us anything that we can use on the website, that's pretty much good. And that's it. We're gonna review the layout now. So here's it. Okay, these are some pages. We have some call to actions over here as well. We have a button over here, provide us feedback, that take us to the contact page, and then we have a footer over here. Then we have about us, 4 services in our service section. Then we have a referral. Let's check out about us. Who we are, that's in bold, and it's a title. Then we have some content over here. If you believe it, we are with you all the way. Our commitment to you. So this content has been written by our team as well, and we use some stock images over here, like this one or like this one. So if nothing's provided to us, what we do is we build up the content, we get all the stock images that can be used on a professional business website, and that's it. We have a call button over here, accommodation page, special disability accommodation, short-term accommodation, 2 fancy sections. Then we have a call to action bar over here, a contact us button over here. The next service is assistance with daily living, helping hand at home, get involved in your community, how to access the support. These sections are called call to actions. Okay, so there's a piece of content, there's a heading, and there's some content, and then there is a call to action button that must say call now, contact us, pay now, whatever you want to say that. Then we have transport, assistance with transport, getting yourself around, traveling with support worker, assistance technology, build your independence through transport. Yes. Then we have allied health. Perfect, we build. Let's see, referral page, latest news, and contact us. We have a form on the referrals page, participation profile, conditions. Does the consumer have any physical health condition? Consumer have a mental health condition? Yes, and then there's a send button. Perfect. All the details would be emailed to the business owner. Then we have a blog section. Then there are frequently asked questions. And then we have a contact us page with a form, some information on the business, address, phone, email, a map, and then we have a footer. Yes, that's pretty much it. We have a chat icon over here that says get in touch, leave a message, powered by 3CX. These are the certain functionalities that's been integrated by our company. This can be an automated message, or we can get all the information from a visitor, and we can send that to your email. Or what we can do is we can there are certain companies online that offer this service, like we can add this widget on the website, and whenever a in-person visitors interact with the visit, they want to communicate, they have some certain questions, you get a text message notification on your mobile phone through that mobile phone app that we will ask you to install. Okay, so whenever you have a query on your website, you get a text message on your phone, and you can respond to that message through that app specifically, and that will get displayed to the visitor over here. So you can interact with the visitor on the real time, and that's it. So the last thing I want to discuss is call to actions. Okay, call to actions are these kind of bars or anything that allows visitor on the website to take certain action. Okay, so we need to keep that in mind before building the website. Like, what's the motive of this website? What do we want the visitors to do? What are the actions we want the visitors to perform on our website? Okay, so we need to contact us. This will read out the visitor to the contact page. Then we have a newsletter subscription form. Then we have inquire now, that will also take us to the contact page. Then we have a call button over here. By tapping on that call button, there would be a call originated that will connect you with the business owner or the business information line to this business. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's see some other call to actions that on this business website that we also built previously. The business name is PWD Care. Okay, so they have a WhatsApp button over here. This is what I want you to have a look at. Okay, so it's a chat bot. Okay, and it's pre-filled with all the questions. Okay, so you can interact with the chat bot, and it will ask all the information out of you, and it will send that information to an email, and the business can respond to that information whenever feasible. So welcome to PWK. My name is Robert and I'm an AI bot. Cool. Let's get the basic out of the way quick. What are you filling this for? Relative, confirm. What's your name? And dot. You can get the idea. So it gets all the information and it sends out the information to the email for this business, and the client or the potential customer can be get in touch with. Thank you so much for today, and I'm going to review another website tomorrow with some different layouts and with some different call to actions. Stay in touch.